Hey guys and girls, this is me Saima Parveen. Today we are going to learn about the atomic mass. But before moving towards the atomic mass, we should have a short review about the atomic structure. Here you can see that an atom consists of subatomic particles known as proton, a neutron, and an electron. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus, whereas outside the nucleus, electrons are revolving. Protons carry a positive charge and electrons carry a negative charge, but neutrons carry no charge. Due to the presence of positively charged particles inside the nucleus becomes positively charged, whereas outside the nucleus there is an equal number of negatively charged particles, due to which the atom becomes neutral. Now, after having the review about the structure of atom, we are moving towards the atomic mass. The mass of the neutron is greater than that of proton. Both have considerable masses, but the mass of electron is almost negligible. So in calculating the atomic mass, we do not consider the mass of electron. The mass of an atom can now be defined as the sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom, which can be calculated by the given formula. Taking example 1, here you have an atom of hydrogen. So what will be the atomic mass of hydrogen? Let's sum up the number of protons and neutrons by using the formula. Yes, there is no neutron, but only one proton. So the atomic mass will be 1 AMU. AMU is the atomic mass unit in which the mass of an atom can be expressed. Taking example 2, here is the helium atom. Let's calculate the mass by using the formula. So the atomic mass of helium will be 4 AMU. At last, there are some points I have provided as a summary. Atomic mass is the sum of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. It can be expressed in atomic mass units. I think your concept is clear about these 2 points, but let's move on the third one. It is the average of isotopes of the same element. It has no unit. 1/12 the mass of carbon-12 is equal to 1 AMU. To learn about the last 3 points, wait for the next video. Thank you for your attention.